The Mineral Pigment Set, Brovi One. Cool light on a yellow base. Neutral light on a yellow base. Warm light on a red base. Light auburn on a red base. Cool dark on a yellow base. Neutral dark on a yellow base. Warm dark on a red base. Deep dark on a red base. Work without diluent, stress-free. The ink is fluid and highly opaque. Your hair strokes will heal very naturally thanks to carbon cut technology. I'm showing you 3 types of hair strokes. My machine speed is set at 4.0. The needle protrusion is between 2.5 and 3 millimeters. We draw the very first stroke super slowly to get a super fine line. Slowly and carefully pull the hair stroke downward. The slower I draw it, the thinner it turns out. This stroke works well for thin, non-porous skin. Now, a medium saturation hair stroke. I'm using a longer stroke. The same pendulum motion in one direction. I don't go back and forth. This one comes out looser. We use this stroke on neutral, combination skin. The third type of stroke is the most airy and light. I draw it super fast, gradually building up the density. We thicken the stroke toward the middle. This stroke works well for porous, oily skin. This implantation technique applies to all shades in the set. Let's start sketching. I'm drawing a frame within which the hair strokes will be. This is the boundary that we won't go beyond. I'll be working with neutral light brown. I think it'll complement the hair color perfectly. And it'll look very harmonious with the girl's hair color. I'm starting with the right eyebrow and move from the beginning to the end. And I won't work on the whole brow. I'll only focus on the areas that are the lightest, or have minimal hairs. My first pass isn't too dense because I'm just getting to know the skin. And to play it safe and avoid overpressing, I carefully apply the ink very superficially, wipe it, and see how good the retention is. If I find that it is not enough, I'll simply go over it again. The skin is turning a bit redder than usual. This is normal because, first of all, it's thick and porous, and secondly, we're using Brovi One shades. These are inorganic shades, and they should be applied more tightly than the ones from the Essential set in order to get a beautiful healed result.